What's going on, everybody? Josh, startedraingutterbusiness.com. Today we're going to be doing some problem solving and helping you guys bid jobs by solving people's water problems rather than just throwing up rain gutters. So let's get going. So keep in mind, we are in Montana, in the mountains. If you want to look at the mountains behind me, these guys get a lot of snow here, and this is a remodel, and so they got, tore all the siding, roofing off, kind of redid everything. So it was interesting to kind of hear what, it's always good to learn from these things, like how we can do it better the next time. And there was a lot of water intrusion in this area. We have 3 roof lines kind of all coming into this spot, and probably a lot of snow kind of blows in this area. We have a vent pipe, which is a heat loss area a lot of times. So what we're trying to do with the gutter system is make sure this water goes from the spots that wherever we have the gutters, and then directly into down to the ground. And we have drain pipes that these are going into. So we're trying to get all this water off this roof. A lot of guys will leave these just open-ended, and at least here in Montana, that can cause big ice issues. So it'll push ice up the valleys. I've seen warmer climates even trim that gutter to where it's even with the roof pitch, and then just like literally butt it into the roof, which seems like a terrible idea to me. But this one we ran a little short so that ice and stuff can still get around this gutter in the winter out of this valley. This gutter, we do need a downspout over here, so we're going to be putting a downspout kind of set back into the siding here and then elbowing it to the gutter. And we double checked this is not a window that opens and closes, and it's kind of in a tight spot, so they're aware they're going to have to see some of this stuff from this window, but it'll be better for the longevity of the house to get that water plumbed with the downspout into the gutter, and then it'll go out to the drain. So just some things for you guys to keep in mind when you're doing these remodels or new houses, or what, anytime you're doing gutters, think of how that water, where that water is going to end up and what it's going to be landing on if you leave an open end, things like that. So I just wanted to show you guys one more example of a spot that was causing issues. So this is just a little gutter on a slightly raised gable peak that comes out of the side of the house, and so we're capping that a little short of the roof so everything can still get by, and then having a downspout drop straight into this lower gutter so that water's all captured and contained in the gutter system and not shooting into their siding and roofing and all that. So just some tips for you guys to keep in mind when you're looking at jobs and want to do your best job. So thanks for watching. Make sure and like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.